Hi everyone, welcome to Hidden Processes. In this channel, we explore amazing hidden processes in our world, things we don't normally see, but that shape everything around us. Today, we're diving deep inside the human body to uncover the incredible journey of a single breath. Let's trace the journey of oxygen from the air you breathe, right to your cells, and see how your body kicks out carbon dioxide. So, take a deep breath with me. Did you feel that? That simple action kicked off a chain of events that keeps you alive. It all starts with your heart, a powerful pump working tirelessly in your chest. But the heart doesn't work alone. It's part of a brilliant partnership with your lungs. The air you just inhaled is packed with oxygen, the essential fuel that powers every single one of your cells, every thought, every movement, and even every heartbeat. Let's trace that journey. When you breathe in, air first enters your nose or mouth. Your nose is more than just a passageway. It's a sophisticated air conditioning system. Tiny hairs and a layer of mucus work together to warm, moisten, and filter the air, trapping dust and other particles before they can go any further. From there, the clean air travels down your throat, passing through the pharynx and the larynx or voice box and into the trachea, or what we commonly call the windpipe. Now we're getting deeper. The trachea is a sturdy tube that leads down into your chest. There, it splits into two main branches called bronchi, with one going into each lung. Think of it like the trunk of a tree. Inside your lungs, these bronchi branch out again and again into smaller and smaller tubes, creating a vast network that looks like an upside-down tree. At the very end of the tiniest branches are clusters of microscopic air sacs called alveoli. You have about 300 million of them in your lungs. This is where the real magic happens. Each tiny alveolus is wrapped in a dense web of blood vessels called capillaries, which are so narrow that red blood cells have to line up single file to pass through. The walls of both the alveoli and the capillaries are incredibly thin, just 1 cell thick. This super thin barrier is crucial for a process called gas exchange. The air you breathed in fills the alveoli with a high concentration of oxygen. Meanwhile, the blood arriving at the lungs from your body is loaded with a waste product, carbon dioxide. Because of the difference in concentration, oxygen naturally moves from the alveoli into the blood, while carbon dioxide moves from the blood into the alveoli, ready to be exhaled. Once in the bloodstream, oxygen doesn't just float around. It gets picked up by a special protein in your red blood cells called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin acts like a delivery truck, grabbing onto oxygen molecules and carrying them away from the lungs. This freshly oxygenated blood then travels back to the heart, which pumps it out to every corner of your body, delivering that life-giving oxygen to every cell that needs it. At the same time, hemoglobin picks up carbon dioxide from the cells and brings it back to the lungs to start the cycle all over again. It's a perfect, continuous loop happening with every breath you take. Thanks for joining us on this amazing journey inside the body. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next exploration of the world's hidden processes. See you next time.